Hi, my name is Mario Rodriguez. I was born in Valledupar. I live in Valledupar. I am married with one son. I study engineering of systems in the university. Now, I like travel by motorcycle and more. This night, my travel to the Cabo of the Vela, beach, breeze, sun and sea are giving a beautiful vacation landscape. We should visit Cabo de la Vela. Is a spectacular site where we could see and enjoy its attractive and charming place. The fascinating view of Cabo de la Vela takes starts and takes 3 days to know and fully enjoy the cape in search of fun with the shade and the sun. Wear a hot and comfortable clothes. To feel chilly, you should only take the road to the Guajira. Once they enjoy your immense beach, there is Mayapo and Palomino Beach. It is the most visited part of the place, along with its salt mine. You should enjoy its warm weather and cool off. Understanding. The most extreme part of the escape is the desert. You should enjoy the view of your dolphin, which might feather in the sea and see the whales lapping in the distance. You can see all this in import. You can also go to the Mirador 360 and enjoy its enchanting view. You take panoramic photo with your cell phone and camera and bearing you memories. A perfect view of the Gulf of Guajira without the boat, and there is no option, not too good and stay short or long vacation. Because two costs of the stay are not expensive. I hope you cheer. Recommendation. It's important that people who visit the Cabo de la Vela use a good sunscreen. It's important to be warm at night and not to sleep outdoors. It is important that people who visit the Cabo de la Vela wear sunglasses. It's important that people visit the Cabo de la Vela wear sunglasses. It's important that children are not alone. It's as necessary to bring enough and money is advisable to wear comfortable and clothing and to wear. It is as important it does not miss an attractive place in the Cabo de la Vela. It is important to be hydrated. 3 things you should do when planning a trip at Cabo de la Vela. You should contact tour agencies to organize your holidays and save money. You had better plan the money you need before leaving to Cabo de la Vela. You have to pack with everything necessary. You had better not travel to Cabo de la Vela without first having organized and planning the expenses. You must have not traveling to Cabo de la Vela during school vacation, because for the season everything will be full and expensive. I recommend that you should not go exploring without sunscreen, with a minimum protection factor of 50. The weather in the Cabo de la Vela is on infinite summer. It's very hot. Thank you.